It doesn't matter how good your skills are as a trader. If you don't know when to execute your trades or when to even get into the markets, you're pretty much setting yourself up for failure. What I want to do is I want to show you when is the best time to execute your trades for maximum profitability. Today, trading live, this is what I made, all live sharing my screens. So I understand the futures market is open majority of the day, and the foreign exchange market is also open pretty much 24/7. But you have to understand that there are different time zones and there are different what you call sessions that you trade. Me preferably, I have always leaned towards trading in the New York session or the New York Times, which is around 9:30 to about 4:30. But now let's take it a little bit deeper than that. Now, the first 15 minutes of the market from 9:30 to 9:45, I recommend you holding off, sitting on your hands, because there's so much volume coming in. There are so many participants trying to get in and out. There's people that might have saw news from the night before. It's people that's trying to take profit from the day before. It's a lot going on in that first 15 minutes. So I tend to just kind of like let that be. Then you have around 9:45 into this gap around like 11. And I say that's the golden time. I love executing trades around like 9:45 to around like 11:30. Like that's my window. That's my gap to find my trade. You can read the stocks a lot easier. Indexes that you trade, you can read them a lot easier. Any type of futures that you trade, things just tend to settle down and you can read them a lot easier. They move a lot smoother. Also, around this time, you start to see stocks start kind of gravitating towards key levels, like, for example, previous day high, previous day lows, pre-market highs, pre-market lows. You might start getting touches of VWAP in that time. So if you want to increase your chances of profitability in this market, I suggest that you trade between the 9:45 and 11:30 window. Trade between those times, and I guarantee you'll find a good setup, and I'll guarantee you'll start making a lot more money.